Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I will go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device and its specifications. So, getting straight into it, we have some info. So, full color electronic paper display. Now, I have a feeling that this isn't referring to e-ink display, which is just an LCD, which that's what previously was, and it just kind of was a scam in this case. It was just a display with a matte finish. But let's see if they actually managed to now give you a e-ink display. I doubt it though, because looking at a picture, that does not look like an e-ink display. Anyway, start off with the phone. Yeah, but looking awfully like a typical display. And it is a typical display. Go screw yourself, TCL. With the bullshit advertising of full color electronic paper display. Have you seen a full color electronic paper display? Because I have. This isn't it. Okay, let's see what other disappointments we have in the box. We have a 30-watt charger. That's pretty good. Type-C to Type-C charging cable. Again, decent. We have a disappointment of a phone, and obviously this little folio case with something that looks like a pen. Actually, let's just open it up and see how that looks like. I'm gonna be disappointed. I might as well get it all out of the way at once. Come on, get out. Actually, this isn't that bad. It's very reminiscent to the old, old, or maybe not even old, but the Notes, the Samsung Note had this kind of pens. And it has a pretty nice place to actually store it, so that's pretty good. Anyway, just drop it straight in here so we can see how that looks like. Would you like to clip all the way in? Are you serious? Are you freaking kidding me here? It's your own case. How can you not figure out the fucking clip for it? There's nothing in the way. What is the problem? It's completely flat. Is your fucking phone bent? Nope, it just doesn't hold. Fucking amazing. So, I don't know if this is visible. It clips on almost everywhere outside of just this corner right here. You can see I'm trying to push it in. And it just pops off. So just to kind of showcase this, how easy it is for it to come off. I'm not putting much pressure on it. So yeah, already disappointed beyond belief. Okay, so let's talk about the full color paper display. I am putting that in asterisks because it's absolute bullshit. So, the full color is an actual LCD IPS. There's no paper in that. It's LCD, not paper. So, this luckily though is 120 Hz refresh rate display with a 6.8 inch size, 84% screen to body ratio, 1080p resolution that puts it at 395 pixels per inch with NxtPaper technology, which what they refer to is, we made the display matte. That's their NxtPaper. Wow. Something about this just infuriates me. Anyway, let's continue on. So, price-wise, we are looking at a device that isn't necessarily priced all that competitively, coming at 300 euros. I guess that, what was it? The bullshit NxtPaper technology costs so much. By the way, you can buy a matte screen protector for like 10 bucks and slap it on any phone, and therefore it automatically becomes NxtPaper technology device. Amazing. Anyway, we're looking at a processor powering this, being Dimensity 6300, 8 GB of RAM, 5010 mAh battery, 33 watts charging, And that's basically the internals. In terms of cameras, we are looking at 108 megapixel f1.8 aperture wide sensor, then 8 megapixel 120 degree ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel macro, so just a sticker. And with those cameras, you can record videos at 1080p up to 30 frames. And then in the front, we have a selfie cam that houses a 32 megapixel f2.0 aperture wide sensor that does the same thing, 1080 at 30 frames. So all in all, pretty disappointed at this point. And the reason I am disappointed at this point is because we're looking at a TCL, which, let's be honest, this ain't a reputable or high-end brand. So this device costing 300 euros is an absolute insult in my opinion, as we can go to something like, let's see. I do want to give you a great comparison to a device that basically just completely takes a steaming pile of dump all over this phone and makes it look like an absolute joke. So that would be the CMF Phone 1. So that device comes with a better processor, being the Dimensity 7300, which we went from low-end processor to mid-range processor. The improvement there is immense. We have a 5000 mAh battery with the same charging speed, 6 to 8 gigabytes of RAM, AMOLED display instead of the bullshit LCD, running also at 120 Hz refresh rate with a peak brightness of 2000 nits. This I don't even need to check, won't get anywhere close to that. Pixel density is the same, with the screen size being just a tad bit smaller, as this was, what was it, 6.8? Yep, 6.8. The CMF Phone 1 has a 6.67 inch display with the same resolution, which, that being said, it actually should be, in this case, higher pixel density. Also runs Android 14, and all in all, it's going to be a fantastic device. And here comes the kicker. It's better, all in all, with, I would say, probably better Android support and updates, considering it is Nothing brand. CMF is just a cheaper sub-brand of Nothing. Yeah, it costs about 220 euros instead of the 300. So you get a better phone with better specifications all over that costs less. And we're talking about like significantly less. And for the money that you save, just get yourself a matte finished screen protector and you're good to go. So yeah, that's kind of my look at this device. It is just a disappointment. It is absolutely annoying how TCL just tries to bullshit their way into just consumer hands with absolute lie. There is no paper here. This is a matte finish. If you want to name this correctly, this is a full color electronic matte display, not paper. So yeah, this is what I got for it. It's an F, yeah, go for something else and get yourself a matte finish screen protector, and don't give money to just shady, sleazy practices of trying to mislead consumers. So yeah, that's basically what I have to say. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.